Welcome back, guys, to another episode coming to you from the Cable Guy Chronicles, folks. Oh man, we out here today, guys. It's cold today. It is cold today. Y'all see what I got on? I had to put on 2 face masks. Man, it's cold, the wind blowing, but you know how we do, baby. Cable Guy Chronicles, we about to get it in today, folks. We had another job, so pretty much what we got to do, we already did step 1. We already went to inside. We already made customer contact. We already went inside and see what we got to do. So pretty much outside, we got to do a few things. We got to run a drop, brand new build, brand new house. So we gonna get it in today, folks. It is cold out here today, guys. Let y'all guys see what I'm in. See that? House is over there. Pedestal box is that green box in the back corner there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there is where the pedestal box is. So all right, guys, follow along with me while we run this drop and get it in, folks. Cable Guy Chronicles, man. It's freezing today. It's maybe about, I don't know, maybe 15 degrees. But what makes it colder is the wind is blowing, man. So, but we got to do it. We got to get to it. Stay tuned, guys. More footage to come. More videos to come. If you like the comment, if you like the content, shoot me a comment in the comment section. You can smash that subscribe button. Stay tuned, baby. We about to get it in. All right, guys. So we pretty much got to take our drop cable from here all the way over there to the pedestal box right there. So we about to run this drop, guys. Take our cable, drop. Pedestal box. A little bit extra wire. Alright, guys, so we pretty much located the tap. Took the little terminator key off. We'll put our tap hooker drop right up to this right here. So alright, guys. Alright, guys, so I'm just gonna put a connector on there right quick. Connector's on. Put a little weather booty on the tap right there. It's tight. A little spider. Little spider right there trying to get him on me. Laid the drop. Back over here to the house. Alright, guys, so our next step, we got to flag it, put some flags down, then we gotta put up a house box on the house right there. We're gonna put up a house box right there. And stay tuned. I'm gonna run back to the truck. I'm gonna grab my flags, put my flags down. We gonna get it in. We still on it, baby. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we flagged it. We laid our flags down. Let you guys see what we got. Boom. Flags is down. Alright. Alright guys, so that's pretty much how you run a underground drop. You know how we do. We out here, we getting it in. So next thing I'm gonna do, put up this house box on the side of the house, and that's pretty much it. Drop gonna be done. Alright, stay tuned guys. Alright guys, house box has been installed, baby. Boom. Alright. Alright guys, we pretty much done. It's a done deal. Another episode came to you from the Cable Guy Chronicles. Stay tuned, more videos to come, more footage to come. Like, comment, subscribe. We out for now, folks. Peace. Till we meet again. Later.